Now the second basic editing skill is adjusting the audio. So go ahead and click on your clip. And there are two ways to do it. We're going to do it the first way is we're going to go to the top right. And we're going to go to the speaker. And here you can adjust the volume. Right now it's at 100. You can adjust it low or all the way to 0. Or you can go all the way up to 400, depending on what you want. And that is for that specific clip. Another way to do it is to go ahead and adjust it from the line right here. You can go from there. You can make the sound slowly come in, slowly come out. But my favorite way is I like to just detach it. The way you do that is you right click if you're on a regular mouse or double click on your trackpad, and you're going to click detach audio. As you can see, it completely took it out and it has it right here. I'm going to go ahead and do it for the other clip. Again, it's right click or double click on your trackpad, detach audio, and there we have it. For me, I'm adding a music track to this if I was doing this project, so I actually don't need this audio. So you can click on it and delete it. And that's another way of adjusting the audio.